Hey, I'm glad you dropped by, because once you try the Juke-8, you realize that a sound system can be so much more than speakers plugged into a wall. This thing becomes the backbone of how you experience music, movies, even everyday moments, the kind of gear you pick once you know you won't settle for anything less than full control. This amp is for someone who wants music to follow you, from room to room, from dinner to shower, from living room chill to late night cleanup. If you believe sound should be everywhere you are, not just from one corner, Juke-8 is built for you. Take a sec, check the current price and whether it's in stock now. A unit this powerful and flexible doesn't linger forever. Before this, you probably had one or two speakers scattered in a few rooms. Maybe it worked, but it was patchy. Some rooms had sound, others didn't. You had to plug and unplug, adjust this, fiddle with that. The first time you set up Juke-8, something shifts. Plug in the speakers, connect to your network, fire up the app, and instantly you have control of your whole home's audio. No clutter, no messy wiring, just clean, seamless sound. Everyday moments start to feel different. You're cooking in the kitchen and your playlist spills over into the dining room. On weekends, you play different songs in different rooms, chill music in the living room, workouts in the garage, ambient sounds in the garden, all from a single device. It handles in-home parties, quiet evenings, movie nights, everything. If you're hesitating because it might be overkill, don't wait. Once smart multi-room audio like this sells out, second-hand parts start piling up and you realize you missed the easiest way to upgrade your entire space. Maybe you worry about setup complexity. But Juke-8 flips that worry on its head. It's designed for simplicity. Speakers plug in with secure connectors, network via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then control everything with your phone. No mixing and matching of amps, no confusing wiring. The surprise. Even with 8 zones and wireless streaming, the system stays stable, clean, and surprisingly easy. Owning this feels like stepping into the future of home audio, not just listening to sound, but living in it. Sound that moves with you, not just stays in one place, multiple rooms, multiple moods, all under your control. Music, movies, ambience, at your fingertips, no tangled wires or bulky receivers crowding your space. Freedom to stream, switch, and adjust from your phone. If there's a downside, maybe, once you start using it, you realize how limited old speaker setups were. And yes, it's a serious system, but it's also the kind of serious that pays off every day. At some point you stop comparing options. You pick the thing that makes your space feel alive. If the Juke-8 keeps coming back in your mind, trust that feeling. Check current price and stock, and take the turn that upgrades not just your sound, but your whole home.